Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel, and this is part 2, and it's marshmallow crispy cake, and the star ingredient of course is Kellogg's Rice Krispies. This is a very simple recipe. If you've seen my previous one, it's very much exactly the same. In fact, the recipe is exactly the same apart from the odd one or two things. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. Right, we'll get straight on with the recipe. And for your recipe, you want 180 grams of Rice Krispies, 300 grams of mini marshmallows, 45 grams of butter, and 200 grams of beans. Also, you need a 30 by 20 centimeter tray. Definitely use a wooden spoon and some sprinkles. So that's our marshmallows. Just add in melted butter and give that a good stir around. You just want to make sure your marshmallows are well covered, like that. And then we're going to pop them into a microwave for around about 1 to 2 minutes on low power, so they're all melted down. Add in your beans into your rice and mix it well in. That's nice and runny. Just add in your rice and your beans and give this a good stir in. Make sure it's all well covered. Get your tray, take your clips off, and just put all your mixture into the tray. If you find this sticking to the gloves, just dip your gloves into water, like that, and that'll help stop it. So just make sure you've pushed it out to the sides, and it's well covered. Be nice and level, and as with the previous recipe, hundreds and thousands over the top, because kids just love artificial colours. And let's press them in. Now all we need to do now is pop that into the freezer or the fridge for around about 10-15 minutes so you can actually cut it up. Right, we'll put it into the fridge. Our marshmallow crispies are ready. So for cutting them up, all we need to do is take them out of our tray. Oh, this one's still sticky. So all we're going to do is mark the top up. Now I'm lucky enough, I've got a set of wheels. So go straight down the middle first. That just gives me a bit of a guide. And then once again, 12 this way. But if you want to go more, if you want to make it 24, then just go down again. And if you've seen my first video, we'll go straight down the middle first. So the action for cutting, just hold your knife here like this and just push down like that. It should, with a bit of luck, work. And that's what your slice looks like. You can see the beans inside. There's just actually beans in. I mean, if you want to put more beans in, you can. And you've got sprinkles on the top. Once again, the beans are actually inside the slice. You can see it's quite sticky still, so you know, you can put them back in the fridge or in a box. They will dry out a little bit if you need to. There we go folks, I hope you like this content. If so, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check out the description, you'll find my recipe ingredients down below. And just follow the video, it's that simple. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!